We've had the engineering facts of life, but now we have marketing's requirements, which were extremely important because they knew why the Shadow was selling, so they didn't want to lose any traction on that. And the first thing, it may seem obvious, but it wasn't written down anywhere, but it was written in everyone's blood that it would have a stainless steel model of a Greek temple on the front. There was absolutely no debate about that. If it was a Rolls-Royce, we were going to have this on the front of the car. You can have it larger or smaller, whatever, but this is...
Did someone actually suggest not having it? Was there thoughts?
It was an assumption,
yes,
that it would be there. Marketing, if they lost ground anywhere, we're not going to lose ground on here. This was sacred and was going to be there. Beyond that, the most important thing about this car, strangely enough, is that it was a matter of presence or perceived presence. It's one of the reasons we're looking at it against the backdrop of the scale you'd get in many places in America, where an important car would be parked usually on the front of the building. And in America, of course, cars generally were even bigger. So the Shadow was not seen as a sort of a large car in America. That does seem strange to us, but it's true. And in fact, if you think about it, the Corniche, which was the drop head version of the Shadow, if you like, was actually seen as a sporty car. Where in Europe, I mean, the Corniche is a large car.
And was this a large car for America?
It is by now,
yeah,
because that's why we restyled it,
yes,
as you like.
So you had to go bigger with it.
The Shadow didn't have that presence. I'm not arguing the case one way or the other. It was just a fact that we were being told.
Yes.
And that was the feedback from the market. They wanted more presence in America, which was a hugely important market. But this car had to sell right around the world and satisfy everyone's regulations.